Yes, you need to film more videos ASAP. The amount of people that tell me that they film a video once a day, like when it comes to filming content, they film it like each day as it comes, or like on the day they're going to post, is kind of wild. We shouldn't be doing. It's 2025. It's actually a new year. You can't be doing that in 2025. Like, let's let this be the new standard, that we don't do that as the years go on. From this day forth, we will not be filming videos once a day. The truth is, you are probably the videographer, the editor, the content creator, the marketer, the strategist. Like, you wear all those hats right now. I get it. I've been there. I'm still there. I get it. I get it. And the truth is, you probably don't have the luxury of having a team or having people manage you at the moment. And there's grace. There's grace for that. But there's also wisdom. And I need you guys to tap into that wisdom today. Like, if you're sitting here watching this video, wherever you are in the world, hello, hi. If you're sitting down and you're watching this video, it's time to tap into some wisdom, because I need you guys not to be struggling like this, getting tired so easily when it comes to content creating. There's easier ways to do things, and I'm here to give you the easy option, or to make life easy for you. That is why Create by T is here, to make your life easier, to streamline things for you so you don't have to struggle any longer. Let's talk about batch content creating. Welcome to today's video title. You've probably seen it already, but yeah, I just wanted to give an intro. Welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about batch content creating. Batch content creating is literally exactly what it sounds like. It's essentially when you just batch content. You create content in batches, in a lump sum amount, so that you don't have to spend days or weeks filming. You can essentially get a month's worth of content in a day. Yeah. I've even heard some people do content in batch content a year, so they're even a year ahead, so that they don't have to film for the entire year. TV shows, they use that model as well. Films, they use that model as well, where they're not filming they're not filming in real life. Everything is pre-recorded. So let's say you are a fashion content creator, and I always use this example, it's just easy. But let's say you're a fashion content creator, but you also have a 9 to 5. You don't actually have time to be filming during the day. So what you would then do is you would do batch content creating. So on a Saturday, you would film 2 weeks worth of content on the Saturday. So then the next week, you will have content that will be posted for 2 weeks straight, and you literally don't have to think about it again. And that is how you would planning of your content and filming will be. You're always 2 weeks ahead. There are easy ways to do things. I think you just have to be willing to do it and be intentional about it. I think a lot of people start their content creation journey and it feels so stressful, and it just feels like, is this even worth doing? Do I have to do it this way? But there are easier ways. And I really want my platform to be a place where you guys can come and you can find ease, and you can find tips, you can find tricks, and you can find ways of doing things that actually makes life easier, actually makes filming easier. That is how it should be. I don't think you should be doing this and it should be hurtful or annoying. That's not why you started. You started because you love what you're doing. You started because you're passionate. You started because you want to help people. And I think when you're helping people, there should be an aspect of love and ease to it. It should never be painful to help others, to equip others. It should never be that. So yeah, I just wanted to first say that. So I have my notes here because I had to write a few things down. So I'm looking at my iPad. So how do you batch content create? There are a few methods to it. I know most people use like one or two, but I just wanted to list out a few of them. So you create content within a specific time frame. Let's say you next week, For instance, you wanted a week's worth amount of content, you would use the previous week to film the content. You could do it that way, or some people, they might even do like one day, depending on your schedule and how much time you have. You could even say, okay, let me use Saturday to film content for the whole week. Some people do it that way, and that's just because of the time they have on their hands. So if you're someone you know you can film quite quickly and what you're filming isn't necessarily going to take long, then you could just use one day to film like 4 videos and then use that for the next week. So you're essentially focusing on one type of content, your page or on Instagram, and your main output is Instagram carousels. You basically spend time creating your Instagram carousels. You'll write all the captions, you'll create the visuals, a week's worth, a month's worth in one sitting. For videos, you would do the same thing, and like for an email newsletter, you would do the same thing. Okay, so you've probably reached the part of the video where there's a pause on the screen. The reason is because I have something special for you guys. So I'm actually not going to tell you the rest of the types in this video, but I've created a special little document just for you. Yes, you watching this. I've created a special little document where I've listed out the rest of the types of ways to batch content. If you click the link in the description box, then you'll be able to find the document there. It's completely free. All you have to do is click the link and download it, and then it will be yours. Over the next couple of videos I'll be releasing more free resources for you guys. I just want to get into the practice giving you guys the resources, and obviously you then downloading it, and it will just help me get a sense of what is actually helpful and what you guys actually like by the number of downloads I get, helping you and you helping me. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys go ahead and download it. There's going to be so much more resources to come in the future. So this isn't it, so don't worry. There's definitely more to come, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's definitely a short one, but it's a much needed one. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, share this with a friend, share this with a fellow creator, influencer, business owner, someone you know who is genuinely stuck or in need of help. This is the platform for them. See you guys in my next video. Bye.